बंदी के साथ कर लेते हैं।
Here?
हाँ,
Yeah. One center.
लाइट लगना तेरा ये
मैम यो स्ट्रेट।
यहाँ पे
नेहा जी
ये अजय लाइट
नेहा राइट में हाँ
मैम यो
मैम ये सेंटर मैम सेंटर
यो मैम यो
Gaurav, come on. Everybody who's made this show must be here together. Sorry.
या यो straight।
मैम यो
Thank you, Xenia, and hi Neha, welcome, and thank you everyone for making it this evening. We are super excited to be here today. We launched Savan Originals in May last year, and season 1 of No Filter Neha was a runaway success. It literally put audio content on the map for India, and we now back on the back. We're now back with season 2 of No Filter Neha this year with an even more exciting lineup. We really want to thank Neha, who's pretty much the soul of the show, and she's really lent her persona to the show and really made it stand out this year. And I think it's bigger and better this year. We're super excited at this point in time to be launching this show at this point in time. And I would like to invite at this point in time the host, the co-creator, and the co-producer, Neha.
Thank you very much, Mahesh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, I think half the reason, or a very large part of the reason that the show is such a success is because of all of you, because of the press, because of the media. So thank you so much for always supporting us. You know, जब हमने ये शो शुरू किया था तो हमने सोचा नहीं था कि इस शो की शुरुआत, कई लोग पूछते हैं कि कैसे हुई, और ये शो की शुरुआत हुई एक पार्किंग लॉट में, और बहुत अजीब लगता है, पर उस पार्किंग लॉट में मैं ऐसे ही खड़ी थी अपनी गाड़ी के लिए, और साथ ही में मेरा एक बहुत पुराना दोस्त, या फिर वो समझता था कि वो मेरा दोस्त है, पर मैंने उसको वैसे you know, I hadn't given him that much importance in my life till we actually started making the show. That's this gentleman sitting over here. His name is Gaurav Wadhwa, and he was sitting with he was actually waiting for his car along with Rishi Malhotra, jo Savan he's one of the 3 partners of Savan, and he's in New York, of course. Rishi and Param and Vin, of course, they're here in spirit with us. I just spoke to them. You know, to cut a long story short, ये शो जब हम सब अपनी गाड़ियों का इंतजार कर रहे थे और हम बातचीत जो हमारी शुरू हुई, उस वक्त इन्होंने कहा कि you know, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करते हैं, एक एक्टर होने के नाते we didn't think that you were so interesting, why don't you have an audio show? And I thought it was a very you know, it was a very interesting proposition कि I was like, देखते हैं कल तक पता चल जाएगा सावन के जो लोग हैं उनका दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी हो जाएगा. That was my day when I tried to go out there, judge them, but guess what? They proved me wrong. They have supported me immensely through it all. There was a small idea, and guess where we are today? We're in season 2. And thank you everyone from Savan. Thank you my wonderful team. Where's my writer, who is absolutely brilliant? Mansi, she will never come on stage. You will never see her. But yes, the most wicked person in the room is sitting right here in a blue top. Then I think this show would be nothing if it wasn't for the amazing guests that we've had on the show. Starting from Karan Johar, who was my first guest on season 1 of No Filter Neha, going up to Karan, Kareena, Sonam, Kangana, Farah, Anurag, Chetan, Arjun. Oh my God, there are like so many. Ranbir. I can go on and on and on, and the list is endless. And just when I thought that sitting over there and just being a guest, and I would always tell them, you know, क्या करना है आपको, आके मेरे से बातें ही तो करनी है. It's just an unfiltered chat. And at that point they'd be like, yeah, we'll come. And they would make it look really easy, till came this one point where I was like, you know, how about I try and have this unfiltered chat on camera? And guess what? I was very bad at it, and I promise you, if you don't believe me, I have it on tape. Do you guys want to have a look what happened to me when I turned out to be one of the guests on my own show? All right, so let's take a look at what happened. So yeah, now you know how hard it is, to be honest, but guess what? All my guests have done such a fabulous job. We have a great lineup this year. We, like last season, we're going to be having 12 episodes, which means 12 celebrity friends of mine, or the famous people who you've always wanted to hear in an unfiltered manner. And we're halfway through our season. We've got 6 guests who've come, and they've sat on the chair across me and been unfiltered. We've got 6 more mystery guests yet to come. I know the names. I'm not sure if I'm going to be sharing them tonight or not, but we can keep playing the guessing game. But do you guys want to see who the first 6 are? All right, so take a look. So yeah, I mean, that's just a little glimpse of what the episodes are going to be. Fortunately or unfortunately, you're only going to be able to listen to them, and that's why you need to tune into, download the Saavn app, and you know exactly what to do after that. Listen to No Filter Neha Season 2 or Season 1 if you like. I'd prefer if you listen to Season 2. Works better for me. But we're all here because we're launching the show tomorrow. The first episode drops at midnight on Saavn, and our first guest on Season 2 is Varun Dhawan. I had lots and lots of fun working with him, recording the episode with him, and we've all gathered here because this is the first time ever we're going to be listening to the episode before it actually drops, and this is a private listening party, or so we call it, with members of the press. So we're going to take a look at what went down when Varun was on that chair. We have a little promo for you, after which we have a little surprise. So take a look. All right, so this is the part that makes me really nervous, and this is the first time we're all going to listen to the episode. So are we ready for it? Okay, awesome. So just a request, if we can have our phones on silent, and just like any other listening party, or what you would do when you have Saavn on your phone, just pay attention, and like we like to say it, you won't believe your ears. So we have a quick 20-minute listening, if I may say, party, because I thought it was a party when I heard it for the first time. And this is Varun Dhawan, like you've never heard him before. Thank you.
Alright, so Neha, before I throw the floor open, before I throw the floor open, I was very curious, and I wanted to ask you, which celebrity was the hardest to stump so far? Well, there are so many.
No, you're saying stump, right?
Yes.
I say the intention is not to stump anyone, but I feel, I think with Karan Johar and with Farah Khan and Imtiaz Ali, there was very little I had to do. Like, Karan, I think I asked him one question, and then he took on, and he took over for 75 minutes. I wasn't saying anything. He was amazing. Farah was also lots and lots of energy. And I think Imtiaz, as much as he wanted, he was very, he pretended like he didn't know much. But when he started talking, he was doing enough for him and me both.
Okay.
Yeah, the 3 of them.
So Imtiaz tops the list, I guess.
No, it's a current tops. Yeah, current tops the list.